You've heard the hype and maybe even tried it yourself. But here's the question most seniors over 60 are now asking. Does Vaseline actually do anything for wrinkles, sagging skin, or deep dryness? This video gives you the full picture. And yes, even if you didn't watch part 1, you won't be lost. We're breaking down the exact routine dermatologists recommend, what mistakes to avoid, and what real seniors notice after 90 days of using Vaseline the right way. But if you're curious about the science and backstory behind why Vaseline is trending again, part 1 is still worth watching after this video. The link is below in the description. Now, let's get into what really works. First, dermatologist recommended Vaseline night routine for seniors, 5 minutes only. Step 1. Cleanse gently 1 minute. Use a non-drying, fragrance-free cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Dermatologists recommend something like a creamy cleanser with ceramides or glycerin. Senior skin is already low in natural oils, so we don't want to make it worse. Pat your face gently with a soft towel. Don't rub. Step 2. Apply hydrating base 1 minute. While your face is still a little damp, apply a serum or base layer with hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These are humectants. They pull water into the skin. Think of them as the sponge. This layer is important because Vaseline doesn't hydrate. It seals. So you want something worth sealing in. Step 3. Seal with a thin layer of Vaseline, 1 minute. Now, take a small amount, just a pea size. Warm it between your fingers and press it gently over key areas. Under eyes, around the mouth, on the cheeks, and on your neck. Don't slather it. A thin, even layer is best. You should feel protected, not greasy. Step 4. Hands and elbows 1 minute. With the remaining Vaseline, massage it into your hands, cuticles, and elbows. These dry areas age fast and respond beautifully to this simple touch. Step 5. Pillow protection 1 minute. Place a clean, soft cloth or old cotton t-shirt over your pillow if you're worried about residue. But with a light layer, most seniors don't find this necessary. That's it. 5 minutes. Done. Stick to this nightly, and you'll start to notice a softness and calmness in your skin that only consistent barrier care brings. Keep watching. We'll now cover how long it takes to see results, common mistakes, and who should avoid this routine. Even something as simple as Vaseline can go wrong if misused. These are the top mistakes we've seen seniors make, and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, applying on dry skin. Vaseline works best when skin is still damp. It doesn't add moisture, it locks it in, applying it to bone-dry skin traps in dryness. Fix. Always use a humectant serum or splash water before Vaseline. Mistake number 2, using too much. This is not a more is more product. Slathering it on can lead to greasy buildup, clogged pores, or even heat rash. Fix. Start with a pea-sized amount, warm it in your hands, and gently press it onto your face. Mistake number 3, ignoring product pairings. Many seniors try Vaseline alone and get minimal results. Why? Because it seals but doesn't nourish. Fix. Layer a simple, hydrating serum or lightweight moisturizer underneath. Let that soak in, then apply Vaseline to lock it all in. Mistake number 4, expecting overnight miracles. Vaseline isn't Botox. It won't erase deep wrinkles in a night. But with time, it supports natural healing and prevents further loss. Fix. Commit to a routine and be patient. More on that in a moment. Next, let's look at best serums or creams to pair with Vaseline for maximum benefit. If you want to really make your skin glow, especially over 60, pair Vaseline with one of these dermatologist-approved bases. 1. Hyaluronic acid. This is your go-to for plumping. It draws water into the skin and reduces the look of fine lines fast, especially when sealed in with Vaseline. 2. Peptide creams. Peptides support collagen production. When used under Vaseline, their effects are boosted because the active ingredients aren't lost to evaporation. 3. Retinol, low strength. If your skin tolerates it, a low-dose retinol at night can reduce pigmentation and fine lines. Vaseline helps reduce the dryness that retinol sometimes causes. 4. Aloe vera gel. Pure aloe soothes inflammation and adds hydration. It's a great option if you have redness or sensitive skin. Remember, you don't need all of these. Choose one that suits your skin concern, apply it on damp skin, then seal with a thin layer of Vaseline. Next, how long before you see results with Vaseline? One of the biggest mistakes people over 60 make is giving up too early. Vaseline isn't a quick fix. It's a consistent, cumulative support strategy. So how long does it really take? Week 1 to 2. Your skin starts feeling more comfortable, less tight, less itchy. You may notice smoother cheeks, softer under eyes, and fewer flaky patches. Week 3 to 4. Fine lines begin to soften slightly, especially around the mouth and eyes. Skin looks a bit more plump and less reactive. Week 5 to 6. This is when many seniors say, "My skin hasn't felt this soft in years." Your tone may look more even, and your skin responds better to other products. After 2 months, your skin's barrier is now stronger, calmer, and visibly healthier. This is when others might start noticing too. Keep in mind, Vaseline builds a foundation. It doesn't replace treatments, but it helps every other product work better. Stick with it. Your future self will thank you. Word of caution: who should not use Vaseline? Contraindications for seniors. While Vaseline is very safe for aging skin, there are a few rare cases where caution is needed. Fungal skin issues, like athlete's foot or seborrheic dermatitis. Vaseline can trap moisture and worsen it. Excessive night sweating. Applying it to the forehead or back may clog pores if you sweat heavily. Broken or infected skin. If you have eczema flares, open wounds, or active rashes, see a dermatologist first. You may need medicated products before sealing anything in. For most seniors, Vaseline is far safer and more effective than expensive creams full of fragrance and alcohol. Finally, what dermatologists really think about Vaseline for aging skin. Here's what most people get wrong. They think dermatologists either love or hate Vaseline. But the truth is far more nuanced. For seniors over 60, many dermatologists quietly recommend Vaseline, not as an anti-aging miracle, but as a missing piece in the skin recovery puzzle. Let's break it down. As we age, the outermost layer of skin, called the stratum corneum, becomes thinner and weaker. This layer is your skin's barrier. When it's compromised, you lose water faster, let irritants in, and the result is inflammation, flakiness, sagging, and yes, deeper wrinkles. This is called transepidermal water loss, and it's one of the least understood causes of visible aging. Now, here's where Vaseline comes in. Vaseline doesn't reverse aging. It doesn't trigger collagen production, and it won't tighten your skin overnight. But what it can do is create a protective seal, a kind of skin shield that locks in hydration, prevents further damage, and allows your skin's natural healing processes to work more efficiently. Dermatologists describe it as a supportive step. Think of it like wrapping a sprained wrist. The wrap doesn't do the healing, but it creates the right conditions for healing to happen. And when you're over 60, your skin often needs exactly that: support, not stress. In fact, one study from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology noted that petroleum jelly is still one of the most effective occlusive agents in dermatology today, especially for mature or compromised skin. That's why we say Vaseline isn't the star of the show, but it might be the most important background player. Recap: the no-pill zone truth about Vaseline after 60. If you're over 60 and tired of expensive creams that don't deliver, this simple drugstore staple could be your skin's new best friend. Pair it with the right serum, stick to the 5-minute night routine, and be patient. Let your skin show you what it's still capable of. This is No Pill Zone, where we believe in simple, effective, natural solutions for aging beautifully. Speech Balloon, let me know in the comments. Have you tried this Vaseline routine, or will you start tonight? Part 1 if you missed it. And don't forget, Part 3 is coming soon. White heavy checkmark, like, share, and subscribe to help more seniors rediscover radiant skin without pills or pricey products.